Symbolic meaning of eyes. So the symbolic meaning of eyes deals with exactly what you might think: vision, focus, and observation. But these meanings are not literally when it comes to the symbolic or symbolism of eyes. It has been said the eyes are windows of the soul. And that's what this video explores. Eyes are symbols of soul, psyche, and limitless vision. It's been said that the eye is the window of soul, which may explain why the symbolic meaning of eyes tends to be of a spiritual nature. Almost nothing needs to be said when you have eyes to see. I really like this quote from Versus because I think it hits the theme of this video. I'm not talking about eyes in a literal way. Instead, I'm talking about eyes that see beyond common reality. It's a special kind of vision that sees far more than our physical eyes. I'll be diving deep into eye meaning. Eyes are synonymous and symbolic of the soul, and they are windows that allow sight from both inside of the metaphorical plane. From Freemasonry to alchemy, the eye is a commonly used symbol. It is meant to represent a desire to hold to an ideal vision of the future. It's also a symbol of keeping an eye on that which is important. For example, the use of the eye on structures built by Freemasons goes something like, "My vision produced this. I invested in this. This is something I believe in. I set my seal of protection on this." So, the eye is a symbol of psychic vision and enlightenment in many spiritual organizations. In Buddhism, for example, the eyes represent spiritual perception and seeing with the soul. In these instances, the symbolic meaning of eyes deals with the second sight of extrasensory perception. Many ancient, esoteric, as well as earth-based philosophies consider the eye as a channel or passageway into a new dimension. So here, the eye is not a physical symbol, rather than an ethereal one in which consciousness may enter into a gateway of infinite expanse. This journey is transversed through the pitch black channel of beingness, represented by the black of the pupil, and once the threshold is crossed, one is said to obtain higher knowledge, a glimpse of heightened epiphany, comparable to enlightenment. Here is a final look at the symbolic meaning of an eye. Ultimately, the symbolic meaning of the eye is what you make of it. Contemplate its meaning in relation to your own perspective and life situation. If eyes keep reoccurring to you in visions, dreams, random images throughout the day, it certainly has a message. It's your responsibility now to interpret that message as it relates to your personal experience. Meditate upon this phenomenon, spend time with it. Answers will come when you are patient and still enough to receive them.